Guess where we are? Guess where we are? In my new car. Cash. Paid in cash, paid in full, no car note. Shouty. Kids in the back. It's a Saturday, so you know, it'd be crazy. And my hair was reverting because it's raining. We're not gonna even talk about it. Don't roll your window down. Yeah, no, so that's sweet, I guess so. I'm working late. I'm a singer.
Mom, can we go to the mall?
No, we're going home. We're going home. Because it's cold, it's raining. This couldn't be a more like worse day for me to get a car, but you know. And it's like never rains. It's crazy. Today wants to rain. But you know, it's all good, shawty. It's all good. It's good. You know what? I might not have this hanging like this because this is kind of giving something I don't want it to give. I'll just put this somewhere down there. It's the same effect. I don't like that hanging. But yeah, I got my new car. Yeah. We got the heat on. It's nice and warm in here. Oh, hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more. What you say? Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more. What you say? Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more. No, yeah. Oh my gosh, like, I'm in my car. I'm in my car. Y'all know I've been talking about how I've been wanting a car. I've been saving for a car. I've been looking for a car. We're here. We're freaking here. We're here. I just almost haven't fully processed this. But yeah, it's a Volkswagen Jetta. I won't go into any details really because it's kind of hot in here. AC is good, the heat is good. It's hot in here. The radio is good. I'm gonna install CarPlay. So you guys, this is obviously a better angle because I got a little car tripod thing that sticks to the, you know, the window. So this is kind of the situation that I've been wanting with car vlogs in the first place. Yeah, I'm filming right now. This is the situation I've been wanting with car vlogs, but you know, being in my mom's car, I can't install something in my mom's car, so I had to just do what I had to do. Let me tell you something. I'll tell you something. Ain't nothing like having your own car. Ain't nothing like having your own car. I can go whenever I want, whenever I want. Is your window up? I can go wherever I want, whenever I want. I don't have to ask somebody to go somewhere. Where's my gum? Some gum. This gum I randomly bought. React. I think just 5 gum in general. I was chewing on this for like 30 minutes and the taste was still there. I'm like, when is the taste gonna run out? When is the flavor going out? It's black too. That black gum. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. We're in our own car. Like, we just are. And I just really don't know what else to say. All I will say is it feels good to finally be here, because the car searching process has been so frustrating. So frustrating. I'm so glad that we are here and I finally have a car. I even said, I was like, Saturday, I want to have a car. It's Saturday. It's just, there's been so much back and forth, looking at many different places, and I really just wanted a cash car. I didn't want to finance, and then also just having a certain budget. My budget was actually like relatively small. You know, if I would have saved maybe another $1,000 to $2,000, I would have had better options. But I like this car. The mileage is decent. There's nothing really wrong with it. I bought it from a mechanic, so he already thoroughly checked the car, and I don't know, I feel like it's good on gas mileage, and I don't really know. I don't really know, but it feels good, because it feels good to not have to return my key back to my mom, and it feels good to, like I said, give me a week and we'll really talk, because being able to go wherever I want to go, whenever I want, and not have to ask for nothing, it's freedom. This is really unlocking a piece of freedom. This is more than just, oh, I got me a car. This is unlocking freedom for me. And freedom is the best thing in the world. It really is. Me sitting here and driving my kids in my car, in the back seat of my car, that is mine. I don't have to pay a car note on it. That part. Sure, I could have bought a new car. I could have bought a new car. But I specifically wanted a cash car that I didn't have to pay any car notes on as a starter car for me. Perhaps my next car, I'll be in a place where I would want to get a car note. Perhaps my next car, I'll be in a place where I want to get a car note, and I want to get a new car. But right now, I was like, no, I'm just trying to get my life together, and I'm just trying to get a car. Something to take me from point A to point B. It's nothing real bougie. That's fine. I was wanting something kind of bougie, but I kind of decided, you know what? This car is very reliable. Everything is good. And honestly, when you're looking for a car, sometimes that is all that matters. Because once again, I have been through the bougie cars. I've looked through, and you see something that, you know what, we're probably not going to hit the highway because it looks like there's a lot of traffic. I don't know if I feel like dealing with that. So maybe we'll just go another way. See if I can get over it. gonna let me over, or what are we doing? Thank you. Appreciate it. Cause I don't think I'm gonna hit that highway. Remy, you like mommy's car? Adam, do you like mommy's car? Adam's in a bad mood because I didn't buy him nothing from Dollar Tree, but Christmas is around the corner. Exactly. Anything else to say? I guess we're just going to be on our way home, and that's the video. You know, we are. Remy, I really need you to sit back and be in your seatbelt. I really need you to, yeah, put your seatbelt on. But all right, I'll talk to you guys later. I love this angle. I like my suitcase. Okay.